Hey beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the magical world of eyeliner. Get ready to transform your eye shape instantly with these amazing tricks. Are you ready to up your eyeliner game? Let's go! Starting with the queen of all eyeliner looks, the basic winged liner. This classic style has been a staple in the beauty world for decades, adored by makeup enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's versatile, elegant, and can be adapted for both casual and formal occasions. This look is timeless and perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're heading to the office, going out for brunch, or attending a special event, the winged eyeliner adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. First, make sure you have a good quality liquid eyeliner with a fine tip. The precision of the tip is crucial for achieving that sharp, clean line. You can also use gel or pencil liners, but liquid liners tend to give the most defined look. Start by drawing a thin line from the inner corner of your eye, gradually thickening it towards the outer corner. This helps in creating a smooth transition and ensures that the liner looks natural and not too harsh. For the wing, imagine a straight line extending from the outer corner of your lower lash line towards the tail of your eyebrow. This imaginary line acts as a guide to ensure that both wings are symmetrical and perfectly angled. Connect the line from your upper lash line to the imaginary line, creating a small triangle. This step is crucial for forming the wing and giving it that iconic flick. Fill in the triangle to complete the wing. Make sure to fill it in evenly to avoid any gaps or uneven lines. This will give your wing a bold and polished look. If you make a mistake, use a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover to clean up any smudges. This trick is handy for perfecting the shape and ensuring that your wing looks flawless. This simple wing instantly elongates your eyes, giving you a lifted, more awake look. It's a quick and effective way to enhance your natural beauty and make your eyes stand out. With practice, you'll be able to master this technique and make it a staple in your makeup routine. Ready to take your eyeliner game to the next level? Let's try the double winged liner. Start with our trusty basic winged liner. Once you've perfected that wing, create the second one extending from your lower lash line. Draw a thin line from the outer corner of your lower lash line, following the natural curve of your eye. Connect the lower wing to the upper wing with a soft curve, creating a small gap between the two wings. This gap makes the look unique and eye-catching. Experiment with the gap size for a more wearable or dramatic effect. The double-winged liner is a statement look that's sure to turn heads. Tightlining is like a secret weapon for bigger, brighter eyes. It involves lining your upper waterline, creating the illusion of fuller lashes and more defined eyes. Use a waterproof eyeliner pencil that's safe for the waterline. Choose a shade close to your lash line color, like black or dark brown. Gently lift your upper eyelid and look down. Line your upper waterline, starting from the outer corner and working inwards. You don't need a thick line, just enough to fill in the gaps between your lashes. If you have sensitive eyes, try using a gel eyeliner instead of a pencil. Tightlining is a game changer for everyday makeup, making your eyes look more awake and refreshed. Want to instantly brighten up your eyes and make them look bigger? The secret is white eyeliner on the waterline. Use a creamy, pigmented white eyeliner pencil. Gently pull down your lower eyelid and look up. Apply the white eyeliner to your lower waterline, starting from the inner corner and working outwards. White eyeliner counteracts redness, making your eyes look brighter and more awake. Smoky eyes never go out of style, and a smudged eyeliner look is the easiest way to achieve that sultry, smoldering gaze. Use a pencil, gel eyeliner, or creamy eyeshadow. Choose a shade that complements your eye color and skin tone. Apply the eyeliner to your upper lash line, keeping the line slightly thicker than a basic winged liner. Line your lower lash line, connecting it to the upper lash line at the outer corner. Using a small, fluffy brush or a cotton swab, gently smudge the eyeliner outwards and upwards. Create a soft, hazy effect, not a harsh line. Build up the intensity to your liking. The smudged eyeliner look is effortlessly chic and versatile. For the bold and adventurous, graphic eyeliner is the ultimate way to express your creativity. Choose a liquid eyeliner with a fine tip or a gel eyeliner with a sharp brush. Start by planning your design. Lightly sketch it out on your eyelid using an eyeshadow primer or a light-colored eyeshadow. Carefully trace over your sketch with your eyeliner. Clean up any mistakes with a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover. Keep it simple with a single line, or get creative with multiple lines and shapes. Graphic eyeliner is all about showcasing your unique style and having fun with makeup. Want to instantly brighten up your eyes and make them look more awake? The inner corner highlight is here to save the day. Use a shimmery eyeshadow or a highlighting powder in a light reflective shade. Using a small, fluffy brush, apply the highlight to the inner corner of your eye, focusing on the tear duct area. Extend the highlight slightly onto your brow bone and along the lower lash line for a more dramatic effect. Blend the highlight seamlessly into your eyeshadow for a natural, radiant finish. The inner corner highlight instantly brightens up the eyes, making them look wider and more youthful. Ready to switch things up? If you're looking to add a bit of flair and drama to your makeup routine, the reverse cat eye might just be the perfect technique for you. It's a fresh take on a classic look that can make your eyes stand out in a whole new way. The reverse cat eye is a fun twist on the traditional cat eye. Instead of the usual upward flick, this style features a downward wing that creates a striking and edgy appearance. Instead of extending the wing upwards, extend it downwards towards your cheekbone. This downward extension adds a unique dimension to your eyes, making them appear larger and more defined. This creates a unique, elongated effect that accentuates the lower lash line. The reverse cat eye can be both subtle and dramatic, depending on how thick and long you make the wing. Line your upper lash line with a black or brown eyeliner, keeping the line thin and subtle. This helps to balance the boldness of the reverse wing and ensures that your eyes don't look too heavy. Draw a thin line extending downwards from the outer corner of your lower lash line. This line should follow the natural curve of your eye to create a seamless and flattering look. Connect the reverse wing to your lower lash line with a soft curve. This connection is key to achieving the cohesive and polished appearance of the reverse cat eye. Add a touch of shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eye to brighten up the look. This small detail can make a big difference, adding a hint of sparkle and drawing attention to your eyes. The reverse cat eye is a bold and modern look perfect for experimenting with makeup. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or just want to try something new, this style is sure to turn heads and make a statement. Who says eyeliner has to be black or brown? The world of makeup is full of vibrant possibilities, and colored eyeliner is one of the most exciting ways to express your creativity. Whether you're going for a subtle hint of color or a bold, eye-catching look, colored eyeliner can transform your makeup game. Add a pop of color to your makeup look with colored eyeliner. It's a fantastic way to make your eyes stand out and add a unique touch to your overall appearance. From electric blues to vibrant purples, the options are endless. Choose a color that complements your eye color and skin tone. This can enhance your natural beauty and make your eyes look even more striking. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades to see what works best for you. For blue eyes, try shades of copper, bronze, or gold. These warm tones can create a beautiful contrast, making your blue eyes appear even more vivid and captivating. Green eyes pop with shades of purple, plum, or burgundy. These colors can add depth and dimension to your eyes, making them look more intense and alluring. Brown eyes can pull off pretty much any color, but shades of blue, green, and gold look especially stunning. These colors can highlight the rich, warm tones of brown eyes, making them look even more beautiful. Create a simple look by lining your upper lash line with a single line of colored eyeliner. This can add a subtle yet striking touch to your makeup, perfect for everyday wear or a casual outing. For a more dramatic effect, create a winged liner or a graphic liner using your chosen color. This can make a bold statement and is perfect for special occasions or when you want to stand out. Another fun way to wear colored eyeliner is to use it as an accent on your lower lash line. This can add a playful and unexpected twist to your look, drawing attention to your eyes in a unique way. The key is to have fun and experiment until you find what looks best on you. Makeup is all about expressing yourself and enhancing your natural beauty, so don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. With colored eyeliner, the possibilities are truly endless. Want to create a modern and edgy look? Try the floating crease liner. Choose a liquid eyeliner with a fine tip or a gel eyeliner with a sharp brush. Start by identifying your natural crease. Lightly mark the area just above your crease with a light-colored eyeshadow or primer. Carefully draw a line along the marked area, following the natural shape of your crease. Create a straight line, a curved line, or even a broken line. Keep the line thin and precise, avoiding connection to your inner or outer corner. The floating crease liner is versatile and can be adapted to create a variety of looks. And there you have it, beauties. 10 eyeliner tricks that will instantly change your eye shape. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to eyeliner. Tag me on your social media posts so I can see your creations. Until next time, stay beautiful.